So boom, what is up guys, welcome back to another video. So if you guys remember last week we tried to roll the Toyota Crown guards ourselves and that didn't go too well, and I thought, well, let's just leave it at there and we're booking with someone professional. So we're actually gonna book in tomorrow, but unfortunately we have to get the car back up and running. There's a few things we have to touch up, such as the intercooler piping that blew off last time when we installed the boost controller and we turned up the boost to 14 psi, and also the Crown hasn't been started in a month, so the battery is flat and we gotta basically put the battery back in after charging and yeah, go from there. There it is, boys, the infamous 1JZ. So here it is, the engine bay of the Toyota Crown, and like I was saying before, if you guys look over here, there is actually no battery because we had to take it out because we had to charge it. You know, haven't driven the car in about a month's time. It has been neglected in the meantime, and yeah, the intercooler piping came off right here, so we gotta actually put this clip back in and hopefully we don't run too much boost again, because the reason this happened was, you know, 14 psi and I didn't put this on properly and kapoof, straight out. So we got to tighten that back in, put the battery back in, and I think that's about it. And been a while. I forgot how rich this car runs. Like, the fumes of this car is actually getting you high out here. What are you doing, mate?
This guy is driving around while we're waiting for
Yeah, facts.
going down.
So guys, so we've thought, oh, we'll come test out the camera and, you know, low light show his car. We told him to pull up in this parking spot, but he's like,
he's going,
he's
yeah,
going,
he's going back and forth like fucking like he's spying on
like,
the
brother, the sun's going down, yeah?
Bro, I don't even know where the sun is.
Huh? It's gone, man.
Bro, try the 4K on the moon. You see that?
Oh man, my lens can't zoom in.
That's shit.
Oh, but like, what happened? Where is he?
I actually don't know. I can't even hear his car anymore.
So there it is, his S14. You guys haven't seen this in a while. You know, it's been out of action for a bit because he got a new fresh paint job and new body kit install. Oof, what do you guys reckon? 100 times way better or nah? So the sun is about to set. Hopefully the camera is doing pretty good. And like we said before, we're gonna show Mann's new paint job and new body kit that he has. Oh, hey, what's this, DJ?
This is, hey, you see the bro? This is gonna be 8 for 8. I'm only moving the car there, but this is gonna be my 8 for 8.
8 for 8. No stores. 8 of no stores, if that even makes sense. Hey, well, it must be nice. Oh, it must be nice. Is that 8 for 8?
It's 8 for 8.
8 for 8,
Doesn't matter
easy,
how
bro.
short it was. It's every time I step in.
Bro.
How's the wheels?
Easy clap, easy clap.
So if you guys remember, we got into a little accident. You know, we're doing tandems, got a bit too close, and we knocked the guard and the door in. As you can see, we fully repaired that. Shout out to my boy, Dylan Tom. And we've got brand new side skirts, brand new rear bar, straight from Origin Labo. To top it off, we even got a full open door respray, paint code LS1, factory from Nissan.
Nick minute.
Yep, another 30 minutes trying to get the car out. Oh fuck! Yeah guys, this is why I don't have a low car. Oh fuck! Oh! Oh my days! Oh the front! Oh! Oh!
I can come forward.
Oh, stop, stop, stop! Oh, fuck!
Oh, yeah. Hey, go slow. Yeah, okay.
Oh, fuck! Wait, gee, that's his month's name. It's his month's S15. Oh shit.
Bro, even alcohol stock and he already.
Yeah, dude, my car's stock as fuck. I need it.
I do it again.
Add it up, bankroll, euro, peso, add it up, I'm just doing me, everything is on me, oh you matter what, add it up, bankroll, euro, peso, add it up, I'm just doing me, everything is on me, oh you matter what, add it up, told her if it's all me, everything is on me, gon' back it up, matter what, told you I'ma do me, why you hating on me, it's not adding up. I do roll like a Mack truck, country heart, I might cop a farm and go act up. Lot of scars, I was cold-hearted, now I'm back up. Keep it real, I do this once a month, I don't rap much. I just take the money and go stack up. Only buying Carhartt, car cards to get tatted up.